you how to build a raised garden bed. It's quick, affordable, and easy to make. You will need two 2 by 10 by 8 footboards of untreated wood. You can go to your local home improvement store and get them cut in half. After you get them cut, you should have a total of 4 boards. You also need to get 4 wooden chunks of a 2 by 4 cut to 7 3/8 inches. So now my dad is drilling 2 exterior wood screws to either end of the wood chunk to secure it to the board. Now he's going to complete that same process on the other end of the board. We chose to go with a shorter wood chunk to be able to give us grip when we are lifting the raised bed. And then he's also securing the wooden chunk to the board again on either end. Now you take the board with the wooden chunk in it and you make it stand on its side. Now you're going to take the board without the wooden chunk and connect it to the board with the wooden chunk, and you're going to make a right 90-degree angle. Take a screw and fasten both boards together until they're flushed. Add another screw at the bottom to make sure that both boards are secured. Congratulations! You have now completed one corner of your raised bed garden. Now we're going to secure the other board without the wooden chunk to the board that has the wooden chunk on the opposite side. Secure boards with 2 screws. Add 2 screws to secure the boards together. And the final corner. You just complete the project by adding the 2 last screws to make sure that the boards are flushed together. Alright, let's finish this project. And we are done. Look at this simple yet cost-efficient raised bed garden. Stay tuned to find out how I actually plant in this and prepare my raised bed garden. Thanks for watching. Bye.